Here's a little twist on the traditional Turkish street food gözleme that you might like to try. You need to start by activating your dry yeast. You can do this by simply mixing it with a cup of warm water and a little sugar, then letting it sit for 3 to 5 minutes until it bubbles up and gets really frothy. Set this aside while you prep the rest of your dough. Add bread flour, salt, olive oil, and yogurt to a bowl, then pour in the activated yeast mixture. Now use your hands to bring a loose dough together in the bowl, then pour it onto a clean working surface. It's going to be quite sticky at first, but as you continue to knead it, it should become smooth and elastic. It will take about 10 minutes to get to this state, then you can form it into a rough ball and transfer it to a lightly greased bowl. Roll the dough around to fully coat it in the oil, then tightly cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise for about 30 minutes or until it has doubled in size. You could really make any filling you want, but for this recipe we went with spinach, feta, mozzarella, finely diced onion, minced garlic, and chili flakes for a little kick. Mix everything together, then set aside while you roll out the dough, which by now should have grown significantly. Remove the plastic wrap and gently punch the center to release the air, then loosen the dough from the sides of the bowl and transfer to a clean working surface. Lightly form into a log, then cut into 6 equal pieces. Take one portion and lightly sprinkle with flour, then use your hands to roughly shape into a rectangle. Roll the dough quite thinly with a rolling pin until the longest side is about 8 to 10 inches long. Now add a few spoonfuls of the filling to the center of the dough, and fold the sides towards the center so the filling is completely covered. Once you have a nice little parcel of spinach and feta goodness, cook it in an oiled pan over medium-low heat for about 3 minutes. While it fries, pour a little olive oil over the top and lightly brush it to cover completely. Flip and cook for another 3 minutes on the other side. You want the outside to get beautifully golden brown and crispy, then these should be served hot to fully enjoy the cheesy filling. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.